Hi everyone, it's Agnes here. I thought it will be just nice to sit for a little bit together with an easy meditation that does not require much time, does not require a specific space or circumstances. So wherever you are, as long as you are not doing any important activity like driving or operating machinery, you can just take a break, sit down, maybe lie down, and if you prefer, you can close your eyes and just simply be for a minute, sensing your body, sensing the breath, noticing thoughts and emotions, or perhaps things happening outside, the sounds, the smells. So let yourself be comfortable, with a straight back, with the hands finding their place, maybe on the lap or belly, the feet firmly planted on the ground, taking some deep breaths in and out, relaxing the body to the extent it's possible for you today, letting the chest and belly fully expand with each breath and deflate with exhale, letting the breath be light and slow, as deep as it feels comfortable to you. Noticing this body today. How does it feel? Is there any tension anywhere? Perhaps if there is consciously releasing it if possible. And perhaps there's tiredness or energy. Whatever is present is okay. No need to change it or control it. Just notice. How does the body feel right now? Feeling the body, you may notice that there are thoughts, sounds, emotions that perhaps distract you. It's completely natural as our minds are producing the thoughts. Emotions just happen, they arise and disappear. There may be sounds in your environment. And just allow the mind to calm down on its own. When that happens, return to the body, to the breath, and just sensing the body, perhaps sensations in the particular part of the body, like hands or feet. anchoring the attention for a moment in silence to the body, to the present moment. Remembering to return to the sensations of the body, perhaps the breathing. Anytime the attention wanders off somewhere else, if you notice anything unpleasant, could be some discomfort in the body or some difficult thought or emotion, it's okay to address that with some kindness, acceptance, and compassion. It could be helpful to simply put a hand on the heart area, feel the warmth of the hand, feel the kindness, the love, the care that you may be giving yourself, but also maybe imagining someone else that would care for you. Maybe saying some words to yourself, it's okay, I'm here with you. It's normal to have difficult thoughts and emotions, painful sensations. It's part of being human, and you're doing the best you can to take care of yourself, giving yourself a moment to rest and relax. That's what your body, mind, and heart really need. Just try breathing into the area of discomfort, bringing it some relief, relaxation, and allowing the thoughts and emotions to simply be whatever they are. No need to control or change them. It's also okay to simply turn the mind towards something pleasant. Distract yourself, perhaps with sounds around you. If anything is too uncomfortable to sit with in the meditation, it's also okay to simply finish the practice, and find a different way to take care of yourself. It's never necessary to sit through discomfort, pain. You know yourself and you can trust yourself to do what's right for you. Now let's relax and sit with the breathing, the body for just a short moment longer in silence. Let your mind relax, thinking to slow down, muscles relax. Whenever you're ready to return to your surroundings, you may wish to take some deeper breaths again. Reopen your eyes if they were closed and move a bit or stretch, whatever makes you feel good. Thank you for joining me for this short mindful break. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know in comments as always, what did you like best? And if you have any suggestions for future recordings, videos, I would really appreciate it. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.